Lily, did you lock the front door? I have a really bad feeling about tonight. Yes, why? I already checked it twice, Noah. I heard someone outside. It sounded like heavy footsteps right against the wall of the house.
Footsteps near the window. I am certain someone is standing right there in the shadows. Stay behind me. Do not move or make a sound until we figure out what is going on.
Why are you two awake? It is way past midnight and you both should be sleeping soundly.
Noah heard something outside. Did you see anyone? Or did you just hear a noise coming from the darkness outside?
No, but I heard them. It was the sound of metal clicking and heavy boots on the gravel path.
The dog next door is barking again. He usually never makes a sound at this time of night.
That's strange. He only barks like that when someone unfamiliar enters the perimeter of the neighborhood.
I feel scared tonight. It feels like someone is watching us from the dark and waiting for something.
You're safe with us. Nothing is going
I'll check outside. I need to know who is out there before they try to get inside.
Don't go alone. It is too dangerous to go out there without knowing what we are facing.
Wait, someone is standing near the gate. I can see a tall figure just lurking there in the dark. What?
Let me see. You are right. There is definitely a person standing.
Is he still there? Do you think he is planning to force his way into the house?
Yes, he's not moving. He is just staring at our front door like he is waiting for a signal.
Why is he watching our house? We don't have anything valuable that a thief would want to take.
I don't know. But his presence here is definitely not a coincidence or a mistake, Noah.
Stay away from the windows. We cannot let him see where we are or how many of us there are.
Everyone stay calm. We need to keep our heads clear so we can make the right decisions now. He just walked closer. I heard the gate creak and now he is heading toward the backyard.
Lock the back door now. Make sure every single entrance is sealed tight immediately.
The back door is locked. I checked it twice and the security bar is firmly in place.
Good.
The lights are flickering. It's like something is wrong with the wires or the power grid. That's not normal. Someone must be at the main breaker box outside trying to cut our power.
The power just went out. He found the main switch and cut the line to the whole house.
Oh no. Being in the dark makes everything so much worse. We can't see what he is doing.
It's completely dark. I can't see anything at all, Lily. Where are you?
Stay next to me. I am right here and I am not letting go of your hand, okay?
Someone is trying to scare us. They want us to panic so we make a mistake and leave.
But why? Why would someone go through all this trouble just to frighten a family?
We should call the police. We can't handle this ourselves if he manages to get inside.
Not yet. I want to be sure of what we are dealing with before they arrive here.
Why are we waiting? Every second he is out there is another second we are in danger.
We need to understand what's happening. If I call now, I need to give them specific details.
I heard something near the kitchen. It sounded like a plate or a glass being moved. Stay quiet. Everyone stop moving and listen closely to see if it happens again.
I'll check the back window. You three stay right here and do not move a muscle. Be careful. Please don't take any unnecessary risks. We need you to stay safe with us.
The window is open. Look at the curtains moving in the wind, Dad.
I locked it earlier. I am absolutely certain that I checked this latch before we sat down.
Someone opened it from outside. Look at the marks on the wood where they pried it.
I think so too. Someone has definitely figured out how to bypass our locks and get inside.
This is getting dangerous. We are no longer safe, even with the doors locked tight.
Stay together. We need to move back to the living room where there is more space.
Look at the floor. There are footprints everywhere leading away from the window.
Mud footprints. They are fresh and they lead directly into the inner part of the house.
They lead into the hallway. Does that mean the person is still inside with us right now?
Someone was inside. Or maybe they are still hiding somewhere in the shadows nearby.
Whoever this is, they know our house. They knew exactly which window had the weakest latch.
That's the scary part. It means it is not just a random burglar passing through the street.
Do you think it's someone from the neighborhood? Someone who has been watching us for a long time?
Maybe. Only someone nearby would know our daily routine and when we are most vulnerable.
Mr. Turner was acting strange yesterday. He was standing by the fence just staring at our door. I remember that. He didn't even wave back when I said hello to him in the afternoon.
He kept asking when we leave the house and how long we would be gone tonight.
That felt suspicious at the time, but I didn't want to believe our neighbor would be a threat.
Why would he ask that? We have always been kind and helpful to him since we moved in.
I don't know. Some people have hidden reasons that we can't see on the surface. I heard metal sounds outside. It came from the direction of the garage, Dad.
From the garage? He might be trying to steal the tools or the car parts stored there.
Stay here. I'll check the garage and see if anyone is still lurking around the equipment.
Don't go alone. You don't know if he is armed or how many people are with him.
I'm coming with you. 2 pairs of eyes are better than 1 in this situation, Dad.
Stay close. Do not move away from my side for even a second, do you understand?
I don't want to stay alone in this dark room. Please don't leave me here, Mom.
I'm with you, Noah. I am not going anywhere. We will stay right here together.
The garage door is open. I am 100% certain that I closed it before dinner.
It was closed before. Someone has used a manual override to lift it up from the outside.
Someone searched through our things. They weren't looking for a car, they were looking for something specific.
This is getting worse. They are tearing through our personal belongings like they are desperate.
Did they take anything? Is the expensive lawnmower or the power drill still there?
I'm checking now. It looks like the big items are still here, but the smaller boxes are gone.
My backpack is on the floor. Why would anyone want to look through my school books? Someone touched it. They are looking for something small enough to fit in a pocket or an envelope.
My game box is open. They even went through my toys and games in the corner.
They searched everything. This person is not leaving any stone unturned in our house.
Wait, my office drawer is unlocked. The lock has been snapped off completely.
That's impossible. You always keep the key in your pocket and never leave it open. Someone knew where to look. They didn't waste time. They went straight for your documents.
Yes, this wasn't a random search. They knew exactly which drawer held the important files. It's gone. The locked envelope with the property documents. What, he took it?
He's there! I saw a shadow moving near the oak tree in the backyard.
Where? Show me exactly where you saw him move, honey.
Stop right there! I know who you are! Don't you move an inch!
Mr. Turner? Is that really you?
I can't believe it.
I needed those papers. That land was supposed to be mine. You don't understand.
The police are here. Thank goodness they finally made it.
We got him back. Everything is gonna be okay now, I promise. We're safe, right? He's gone for good?
Yes, Noah. We're safe because we stayed together.
A new day is starting. And we're stronger than ever before. Yes, it was Mr. Turner. I saw his eyes and his gray hair before he turned away.
I knew it. My gut told me he was up to something since yet. Why would he do this? We have lived next to him for 5 years without issues.
I don't understand yet, but he clearly thought he could take those papers without being caught.
He always acted friendly. He even brought us cookies during the holidays last year. Too friendly. Maybe it was all just a way to gain our trust and learn our schedule.
The police are on their way. I can see the flashing lights at the end of the block.
Good. It's about time we had some professional help to handle this situation.
Look, he dropped something. It fell out of his pocket when he jumped the fence.
What is it? Can you see it from here, or should I go get it?
It's the missing envelope. He must have fumbled it during his frantic escape.
Thank goodness. All the house documents are still inside and they seem to be dry.
Why did he want those papers? Are they worth a lot of money, like a treasure map?
Maybe they were valuable. In some legal battles, these papers are worth a fortune.
Those documents contain house information and a secret land survey that shows he owes us land.
That's dangerous. He was trying to destroy the evidence so he could keep the property. He planned this carefully. He waited for a dark night and cut the power first.
Yes, he did.
He is much more cunning than we ever gave him credit for being.
I hear sirens now. They are right outside our front gate. Look at the lights.
The police are here. We are finally going to get some answers and some peace.
Yes, we are safe, but someone entered our home and searched our private belongings.
Yes, it was our neighbor. We saw him clearly under the backyard motion lights.
That's right. We saw him running toward his own back entrance just minutes ago.
He took important documents, but he dropped them in the yard during his escape.
He scared us all night. He was tapping on the windows and cutting the lights.
We also saw footprints and broken locks on the kitchen window over there.
Why would he target our family? We have never had a single argument with him.
We trusted him before. He even had a spare key to our house once. I still can't believe this happened. It feels like a movie instead of real life.
Neither can I, Lily. It is a lot to process for all of us right now.
We tried our best. Our only goal was to keep the children safe and sound.
Is everything finally over? Are we allowed to go back to sleep now, Dad? I think so. The police are handling it now, and the danger has passed us.
The police arrested Mr. Turner. I can see them putting him in the car.
Our home is safe again. We can finally breathe a sigh of relief tonight. I still feel nervous. Every time the house creaks, I think he's coming back.
That feeling will pass. We will install better security.
I couldn't sleep last night. Every shadow looked like a person in a hood.
Me neither. But we made it through the night, and that is what matters most.
But we stayed together through the darkness and the fear, and we won.
That protected us. Our unity was the strongest defense we had against that man.
We didn't panic even when the power went out and the house was dark.
We stayed smart. Thinking clearly is the only way to beat someone who is sneaky.
I learned something important tonight. Something that I will never forget as I grow.
What did you learn? Tell us what is on your mind after all this, Noah.
A family must protect each other, no matter what is lurking in the dark outside.
Always. We are a team, and we will always look out for one another. Darkness can scare people and hide the truth for a little while.
But truth brings light. And today, the truth
Finally came out for everyone to see.
Stay calm, stay strong, protect your family. That is the lesson of this night.
And never ignore danger signs. Always trust your instincts when something feels wrong.